Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic average. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, Bank PO, RRB, Railways, and many government job exams and job interviews. These topics of quantitative aptitude are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, GMAT, CAT, SAT, ACT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are solving questions on average. Our question is, the average marks scored by 24 students is 75. Out of these, the average marks scored by 16 students is 74. What is the average marks scored by remaining students? The given options are option A 75, option B 77, option C 74, option D 78. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Average marks scored by 24 students is 75. So the total marks are 24 multiplied by 75 is equal to 1800. And average marks scored by 16 students is 74. So the total marks scored by 16 students is 16 multiplied by 74. 16 times 4 is 64. We write 4 and carry 6. 16 times 7 is 112. 112 plus 6 is 118. And the difference of these two will be the marks scored by remaining students, which are 8 students. 24 minus 16 is 8 students. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So these are the marks scored by 8 students, 616. So the average equal to 616 divided by 8. 8 divides 61 for 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. 61 minus 56 is 5. We carry 6. It becomes 56. And 8 divides 56 for 7 times. So the average marks scored by remaining 8 students is 77. And from the given options, our answer is option B 77. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average weight of 21 girls is 35 kg. 7 boys join them and average becomes 36 kg. What is the average weight of these boys? The given options are option A 37.5, option B 38, option C 39, option D 37. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. After joining the 7 boys, the number of persons becomes 21 plus 7 is 28 and their average weight becomes 36 kg. So the total weight is 28 multiplied by 36 kg. Now we subtract the weight of the girls. So that will be minus 21, which is the number of girls, multiplied by their average weight is 35 kg. And this will be the total weight of these 7 boys. So for average, we divide this by 7, and this is equal to, we take 7 common from the numerator, so it will be 28 divided by 7 is 4, multiplied by 36, minus 21 divided by 7 is 3, multiplied by 35, divided by 7. And now we cancel the 7 of numerator by 7 of denominator. And this is equal to 4 times 36 is 144, minus 3 times 35 is 105, and 144 minus 105 is 39. So it is 39 kg. This gives the average weight of 7 boys, and from the given options our answer is option C, 39 kg. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average of 12 innings of a cricketer is 35 runs. How many runs must he score in next inning so as to increase his average by 3 runs? The given options are option A 76, option B 72, option C 38, option D 74. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If the batsman has to increase his score by 3 runs, then the average will be 35 plus 3 is 38 runs. So the total runs after 13 innings will be 13 multiplied by 38, and this is equal to 13 times 8 is 104. I write 4 and carry 10. 13 times 3 is 39 plus 10 is 49. So the total runs after 13 innings must be 494 runs. The existing runs are 12 multiplied by his present average is 35. 12 times 5 is 60. I write 0 and carry 6. 12 times 3 is 36 plus 6 is 42. And when we subtract 420 from 494, we get 74 runs. So he must score in the next inning, which is 13th inning, 74 runs to increase his average by 3 runs. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 74 runs. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. It was a very easy question. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average earnings of a plumber for the first 8 days is $170 per day, and that of last 8 days is $185 per day. If he earns $155 on 8th day, find his average earnings for the 15 days. The given options are option A 175, option B 180, option C 182, option D 179. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will first find the total earnings for the first 8 days and then for the last 8 days in 15 days. So the total earning of first 8 days is 8 multiplied by 170, and this is equal to 17 times 8 is 136. So it will be 1360, and the last 8 days is 8 multiplied by 185. First we will find the 180 times 8, which will be 18 times 8 is 144. It means that 180 times 8 will be 1440, plus 8 times 5 is 40. So 1440 plus 40 is 1480. Now we add these two. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 8 is 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total earnings for first 8 days and the last 8 days in a fortnight is 2840. This includes the earning of 8th day for 2 times. So we will subtract the earning of 8th day and then we will get the total earning for the 15 days. So we subtract 155, which is the earnings of 8th day, from this, and we will get 10 minus 5 is 5, 13 minus 5 is 8, and 7 minus 1 is 6, and 2 as it is. Now we will find the average for 15 days. So this is 2685 divided by 15. 15 times 1 is 15. 26 minus 15 is 11. We carry 8, so it will be 118. 15 times 7 is 105. 118 minus 105 is 13. We carry 5, so it becomes 135. And 15 times 9 is 135. So the average earnings for the 15 days is $179. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 179. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average score of a batsman for 12 innings is 43 runs. If the average score for the first 8 innings is 41 runs, find his average score for the last 4 innings. The given options are option A 41, option B 43, option C 45, option D 47. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will find the total runs of 12 innings, which is 12 multiplied by 43, and we will subtract the total runs of the first 8 innings, which is 8 multiplied by its average is 41 runs, and we divide them by 4 so that we will get the average for the last 4 innings. Now we take out 4 common from the numerator, and after taking out 4 from 12 we get 3 multiplied by 43, minus taking out 4 from 8 we get 2 multiplied by 41 divided by 4. We cancel the 4 of numerator by the 4 of denominator, and this is equal to 3 times 43 is 129, minus 2 times 41 is 82, and 129 minus 82 is 47 runs. So the average score for the last 4 innings of the batsman is 47 runs. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 47 runs. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average marks in a math test of A, B and C are 80. When marks of D are added, the average becomes 81 marks. If E, whose marks are 10 less than D, replaces A, then average marks of B, C, D and E become 79. Find the marks of A. The given options are option A 86, option B 90, option C 82, option D 84. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. The total marks of A, B, C and D is 4 times 81, as the average marks of A, B, C and D is 81 marks. So this is equal to 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 8 is 32. So this is 324 marks. Now the average marks of A plus B plus C is 3 multiplied by 80, as the average of A, B and C is 80 marks. So it is 240 marks. 80 times 3 is 240 marks. So the marks of D, if we subtract 240 from 324, we will get the marks of D. 4 minus 0 is 4, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 2 minus 2 is 0, and it is given that the marks of E are 10 less than D. Therefore marks of E equal to 84 minus 10, which is 74. The total marks of B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 4 multiplied by 79, as the average given to us is 79 marks for B, C, D and E. So this is equal to 316 marks. Now we subtract the marks of D and E to get the marks of B and C. Therefore the marks of B plus C equal to 316 minus 84 minus 74. 84 plus 74 is 158, and 316 minus 158 is 16 minus 8 is 8, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we can easily find the marks of A. If we subtract the marks of B plus C from the marks of A plus B plus C, then we will be able to find the marks of A. As we know, the marks of A plus B plus C is 240. So marks of A equal to 240 minus 158. 240 minus 158 is 82 marks. And these are the marks of A. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 82 marks. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, for 5 consecutive days, a shop has a sale of $7,446, $7,938, $7,867, $7,741, and $7,573. How much sale must he have on 6th day so as to have average per day sale of $7,560? The given options are option A 7,850, option B 7,342, option C 6,873, option D 6,795. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will first add the first 5 days sale of the shop, and that is 7,446, 7,938, 7,867, 7,741, and 7,573. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22, plus 3 is 25, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 7 is 26. We write 6 and carry 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 8 is 23, plus 7 is 30, plus 5 is 35. We write 5 and carry 3. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 3 is 38. So the total sale for 5 consecutive days is 38,565. Now we will calculate the 6-day sale. The average for which is given to us is 7,560. So 6 multiplied by 7,560. 6 times 0 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 3 is 33. We write 3 and carry 3. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 3 is 45. So the sale required for 6 days is 45,360. Now we already have the sale of 38,565 for the 5 days, and the required sale for the 6th day is the difference of these two. 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 6 is 9, 12 minus 5 is 7, 14 minus 8 is 6, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the required sale for the 6th day is 6,795. And from the given options, our answer is option D. The required sale for the 6th day is $6,795. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. This was very easy question. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average of 5 numbers is 78. The first number is 20% of sum of last 4 numbers. Find the first number. The given options are option A 60, option B 65, option C 68, option D 72. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. It is given that the first number is 20% of sum of the last four numbers. If we assume first number as x, this is 20%, x is 20% of sum of last four numbers. So the sum of last four numbers will be 5x, as x is 20% of 5x. So the sum of all five numbers will be x plus 5x equal to 6x. And this must be equal to 6x must be equal to 5 times the average of 5 numbers, which is 78. Therefore, x equal to 5 multiplied by 78 divided by 6, and 6 divides 78 for 13 times. Therefore, x equal to 13 times 5 is 65. This was that easy question. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 65. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average marks scored by 110 students in a test is 54. The average marks scored by passed students is 66 and average marks of failed students is 22. Find the number of students who passed the test. The given options are option A 70, option B 75, option C 80, option D 90. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let the number of passed students be x. Then number of failed students is 110 minus x. Now we can make the equation for the given data. The total marks of passed students is 66x, because the average marks scored by the passed students is 66, plus the total marks of failed students is 22 multiplied by 110 minus x, because 22 is the average marks obtained by the failed students and number of students who failed the examination is 110 minus x, and this is equal to the total marks obtained by the 110 students. So that is 110 multiplied by the average given to us for 110 students is 54. Now we divide both sides by 11. So this will be 6x, as 66 divided by 11 is 6. Now 22 divided by 11 is 2 into 110 minus x equal to 10 multiplied by 54. And this gives us 6x minus 2x. If we multiply 2 inside the parenthesis or bracket, it will be 110 multiplied by 2 and 2x. So 6x minus 2x is 4x, plus 2 times 110 is 220 equal to 10 multiplied by 54 is 540. This gives us 4x equal to 540 minus 220 is 320. This gives us x equal to 320 divided by 4 is 80. So there were 80 students who passed the test. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 80 students. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average yield of maize per hectare for x plus 6 hectare is 11 metric ton. For x hectare is 10 metric ton, and for x minus 6 hectare is 16 metric ton. If overall average yield is 12 metric ton, find value of x. The given options are option A 24, option B 30, option C 18, option D 32. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We can calculate the total overall yield, which is x plus 6 multiplied by 11 metric ton is for x plus 6 hectare plus 10 times x is for x hectare plus x minus 6 multiplied by 16 metric ton for x minus 6 hectare, and this is the total yield. So the average yield will be divided by x plus 6 plus x minus 6 is the total hectares, and this is equal to 12 metric ton given to us. Now this is equal to 11x plus 66 plus 10x plus 16x minus 16 times 6 is 96 divided by x plus 6 plus x minus 6 is 3x equal to 12. Now we can easily find the value of x by solving this equation. 11x plus 10x is 21x plus 16x is 37x. So this is 37x. 66 minus 96 is minus 30 equal to, by cross multiplication we get 12 times 3x is 36x. This gives 37x, and we transfer 36x towards left hand side, so it will be 37x minus 36x is x equal to, we transfer minus 30 towards right hand side, it will give us 30. So the value of x is 30, and from the given options our answer is option B 30. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Before concluding this video, I request you to solve as many questions as possible from different books of quantitative aptitude topics to become expert in solving the questions of quantitative aptitude. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.